Hey, real quick question. How'd you like to make money from selling videos you create with Doodleoze? I'm talking about charging clients $200 to $500 per minute of video you make, and you keep 100% of the profits. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all can pay you for the same type of videos, which you can make with Doodleoze in seconds. Agency license, which you can get on this page, allows you to cash in on the fact that most businesses do not have in-house doodle video creators, and instead they hire freelancers and pay for their services. Because businesses always need more videos, the amount of work is endless, but you do need to have the cutting-edge tool to enable you to do that and stand out from other freelancers. Doodleoze Agency might just be a foot-in-the-door tool that you need for businesses to show that they will take you instead of your competition. And you can make these doodle videos for your clients or make it your business to create and sell these doodle videos. And an average video is 4.4 minutes long. So, if you charge just $250 a minute, you'd be able to charge $1,000 or more. And the best part, with Doodleoze, you'll be able to create videos with ease in many different styles. From regular doodle videos to explainer videos to sales videos, even training videos. Just one 5-minute doodle video would take you minutes to make, and you could charge $1,000 per video. Now, if you make one 5-minute video a week, you could charge $4,000 a month or $48,000 a year. So imagine what you could do if you took just a few hours a week, created 20 minutes of a doodle video, charging just $200 per minute per video. 20 minutes times $200 per minute, $4,000 a week. $4,000 a week times 52 weeks, $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. All right, I know what you're thinking. Hey, Robert, how? And here's how it works in 3 easy-to-follow steps. Are you ready? Step 1. You'd find clients that need doodle videos, and there are tons of them. You can head to freelancer sites, reach out to existing clients, or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in videos. Step 2. You'll find out what type of doodle video they want and create it. And the best part of Doodleoze is you're not limited to just one style of doodle video. You can offer an array of videos. From regular doodle animation videos that are super popular with digital marketers, to doodle explainer videos that captivate and explain a service or product, dynamic doodle videos that feature animated action to engage viewers, or training doodle videos for those who need to teach. Having all these options makes it super easy to find the perfect doodle video for your client or lead. And after you figure out your client's needs, you just need to create the doodle video, and that just takes minutes. And last but not least, step 3, collect your money. And once you've found the client, made the doodle video, all you need to do is collect the money. And that's where you'll just need one little thing from us, the agency license to create and sell your dynamic videos for profit. And the best part is you get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you're still watching this video, that means you're ready to follow these 3 simple steps to start your journey to charging $200 per minute of video or even more. You can sell any doodle video you create with Doodleoze. You can use them for your clients, and you'll keep 100% of the money you collect. That's why I'm super excited to offer you instant access to Doodleoze Agency License. And that means you'll have the full license to use Doodleoze however you want. You can sell the videos. You can be a freelancer and find clients. You can use them for your clients as well. You can let your team or employees create doodle videos as they need for any project they're working on. And you keep 100% of the profits. All it requires is a single, one-time investment to upgrade your license to the Doodleoze Agency License. Regular license gives you one Doodleoze license, which is great if this is what you need. But when your business takes off, or you just don't want to do all the work by yourself, the easiest way to handle it is to let your team do it or hire virtual workers for the job. And it means that if you get more orders, you can just hire virtual workers and pay them a percentage of the profit after you're already paid by the client. You don't need to spend any money out of pocket, but you can profit more while working less. It is possible because included in this agency license, you'll get access to our most desired multi-user license feature, which gives you five more Doodleoze licenses. It gives you the ability to have up to 5 people working for you and creating doodle videos with Doodleoze so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Also, for informational purposes, you get the sample client contract template, which you can customize to make your own and have it ready for clients to sign. Hey, this is truly a tremendous deal. And due to the astonishing value of what we are offering, this special, time-sensitive early adopter price may be removed at any time without notice. In fact, I would not be surprised if the price triples when you see this page again later. Plus, you are covered by our money-back guarantee, so you have no risk and you can change your mind later. So go ahead, click the upgrade button below. Let's get your license upgraded and get you on the way to charging $200 to $500 per minute of doodle video that you make. And I can't wait to see how much profit you make. Hey, I'll see you on the other side.